Howdy YouTube, Lawn Revivalist here. I've got a short video for you guys today. I was servicing the lawn across the street from a house that was listed for sale. I noticed that house was getting a little bit overgrown. The curb appeal was looking a little bit rough, so I reached out to the realtor to see if I could offer my services. After she reviewed the photos, she said, please do. So we went and gotten that one taken care of. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please leave a comment, subscribe, like, do all the good things to help out the channel, help me serve my community, and move this thing forward. So hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one. Nice and long. Nice. If you're mowing and you don't walk the yard and check the grass before you start, you could be in a world of hurt. You could run over something, do some damage to your equipment, or damage personal property or the homeowner, or what have you. So you just got to be very, very careful of what you're cutting. I'm also going to have to make sure I don't make their phone lines disappear.